Hi, I'm Satish Kalluri. I'm a video marketing specialist. Are you scared of recording videos and posting it in social media? If yes, I have a quick tip for you. In life, what scares you most, you do it first. Just take action and just try to overcome that challenge that you have. And that's just a limiting belief that you have. You need to overcome that in order to create some excellent work, and that is very much easy if you take it action. Just don't think about any negative thoughts and don't think about anyone. Just go and create that. What will happen, just think about in a different direction, that if I record a video, what will happen? If I post some video on social media, what will happen? What the least case will happen? People may comment you, people may judge you for what you're doing. That's it, right? If you want to grow in your life, be ready to face challenges. So here I have a tip for you. As I told you, don't think about anyone, what others thinking about you. Just do what you want to create and create that excellent stuff you want to do. Just forget about everything and just keep adding value to your target audience, and that should be your target. That's it. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.